Okay, I want to give you a quick walkthrough with sign-up forms. Now, we should already understand follow-up messages and broadcast messages. There's only a few more things you really need to truly understand with Aweber. I mean, there's some stuff with subscribers you can like manage and look at, but really the other big thing is a sign-up form. So we're going to create our first sign-up form here. Now, the easiest way to do this is just go, you see, so they give you a bunch that are pre-made for you, and you can pick these. Personally, what I always do is I go to popular, and then right here I click the basic one, and I just load that up, right? So now I got it down here. So now what I'm going to do is this. If I want to collect just if I want to click name and email, I leave both of those. If I wanted to add something, you know, so I would click create a new field. You know, phone, if I wanted to do the phone number. Personally, I don't ever do that. Actually, sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually click this X and I'll just collect the email address rather than the name and the email. But, you know, either way is good, name and email. I usually will get rid of this and I'll get rid of that. So this is what my form looks like. I'm going to add this back in there. Let's put that back at the top. So name, email, submit, and that's it. I'm just going to click Save Form. And you're going to give your form a name. You know, we're doing Health 101. Now your thank you page is where they're going to get redirected after they opt in. Same thing. Remember, we used, so what I would do is do this again. So I always like to use like a congratulations or a welcome page, give people a little bit more information. Okay, welcome and congratulations. Give them a little direction. You know, again, you can do like your Facebook page or something if you want to do that. All right, and that's really it. Oh, I forgot to save it. So now they're going to ask you, what do you want to do? Now, if you're building your own website, especially with OptimizePress, you're just going to go here. I will install my own form. Personally, I always grab the raw HTML. And that's it. They give you the whole code right here. You're going to copy this whole code, and then you would go put it on a web page. So for example, let me see here. I'm going to open up this. So you can see OptimizePress, how easy they make it. You know, so I'm going to choose an opt-in box, right? So I could choose the way it would look. Right? So say I like this version. And then I would just paste my code in right here. And that's it. So that's how you would use the form. That's how you would create a form, and that what that's going to do is that's going to actually. Let me just get back to the home page real quick. And eventually, what that will do is that will make one of these right here, collecting name, email, and it's tied to your autoresponder account and list. So when they opt in, and then what you can do to test it is you could come back to your page, put in the name, put in a fake email or your real email address, come back and make sure you know, it says that you have a lead, see if you got the notification of the lead. Hopefully that all makes sense to you. I'll be looking forward to the day 5 training.